Man, I'm glad to be back. We gotta build a house over there. Now, we just came back from Chicago, and my car is dirty. I gotta wash it, but we just came back from Chicago, had a nice time, and guess what? We haven't started this car in like a week. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna give you guys a cool start.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Kilometers later.
Guess what happened on my way to work? Let's see if you guys can see Exhibit A. That is not engine oil. Guess what we're doing? We're bleeding the clutch because we gotta see if it's that. Because when I was driving and I pressed the clutch, it went out. It got stuck on the floor, didn't come back up, and then I couldn't shift the car. So the only way that I could shift the car, lucky we didn't leave the keys inside. The clutch went out, and then I couldn't shift the car, obviously, because you need it, you know. But guys, if your clutch goes out, I learned this from my tuner Gerson. If you hit it, and you hit it, the car will start moving, and eventually it will catch enough speed that you can coast it in first, neutral, go in second, and then you gotta find that sweet spot so you can go to third and to fourth. And I kept it in fourth. I did not want to shift it any more than I needed to, so pretty much just fourth. My speed was very low, and I brought the car home, and yeah. So unfortunately, I'm bleeding the clutch, and then all you see is like air pockets. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. That's the fluid, and that's straight up air. It's always air, always air. Nothing I can do about it. Just so you guys know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna pump it real quick and show you guys what is going on. You guys see that nonsense? You see this. Doesn't matter what I do, always has air. I've been pumping it for the last like 30 minutes and nothing. That means we either have a line that popped off or the slave went out again, and you guys seen that before. But the problem is it's inside the transmission, so we gotta drop the transmission. So I gotta get everything out, take axles. I don't think I gotta do a suspension, but axles, everything on the bottom, subframe, all this BS, and so tired of the car, and it's crazy. So the cars, I had to park it like this because it wouldn't go into reverse to bring it inside, and it's like a little hill right at the end. So I gotta wait for someone. Got a buddy of mine. He's gonna come. We're going to take the car out, roll it out, and then push it, this heavy ass 20,000 pound car. Put it in backwards so I can have all the light and access in the front, so we can take everything apart and just fix the car once again. Honestly, this close to selling it, it's just, I don't know, man. But yeah, we're gonna figure it out. But I saw also another thing, doesn't look like it on camera, but this tire's flat. Lucky for us, look what we got. Air inflator from Lofit. So we got a digital display, auto shut off. You can put the pressure and it'll stop by itself, no problems. Oh, also, you can put it like with the car's DC program, DC outlet or whatever. But the best thing, this is battery powered, meaning you don't have to connect it in the car. So this is what it comes in. All right, you guys can see it's all digital. You can see it right there, but they say thank you for your purchase. Oh, by the way, you can get it on Amazon too. But you guys, check this out. Look at this. I just want to turn it on. Press it, hold it. See? Battery powered. Chilling. I preset it to 37 pounds because it's like hot. It was cold and kept losing air. So check these out. I still got the freaking wrap on it. But look at the modes. So you guys can see on the bottom right here, Has a, what is that, a motorcycle? Like a motorcycle, ATV, or a bicycle. Oh, that's the bicycle. Basketball. Oh, custom. So you can just preset your PSI and it'll do it. If you got a truck, a car, whatever you have, you'll be chilling. So car, like an ATV, a bike, like basketball or whatever you want, and then custom preset. Comes with battery, but I love this. Check this out. If you're stranded at night or if you needed to do something to your car, where is it? Right here. Check this out. Ready? Bah! Freaking, you got a light. Guess it's a warning. That's what's up. We got the USB to charge it, and like the what's it, DC power? I think that's what it's called. But yeah, check this out. And there's where the connection to the airline goes. We also got what we have here. One line, another airline. Like I told you, we connect this to the car. That's cool. Charging cable. We charge it, and for like cars, bikes, and just extra stuff that you can use it with. All this. That's what's up. I got this here, and then you guys can see where, like, how it goes. Just push it in. Let me see. Push it in. You twist it, and it's on. You preset it. How is it? Let me see right here. You see right there the numbers on the bottom. So that's your PSI that you want to preset it to. Let me set it to 36 right now. All right, let's go connect it and see how it works. Put it there. Screw it on. Look, it's reading the pressure. So 21 PSI. Yeah, that thing was almost flat. To start it, it's 36 PSI. All right, watch it stop. That's it. 36 PSI, it stops. So yeah, I have a link for this below or in the description, in the comment section. Look for it, you'll find it. So you guys can get one. And I like it so far. I needed one. I really wanted to get one. And I wanted to get this model because I compared it to other ones and this one's the best one. Back to the program. You guys saw it's just air bubbles. So I'm gonna fill it up real quick, close it. If I don't get pressure, whatever. If I do get a little pressure, I'm gonna just push the car real quick and back it in. But we have air now, so I can move the car. I don't want that thing to pop. I mean, I doubt it unless it's like running, but just to make sure. Okay, this is a sad, not sad, because I'm not that sad about it. But you guys can see the car is right now is on jack stand. Look at that. The car is on jack stands, and it's been sitting like this for almost a month. So the last clip that you guys saw, I was bleeding the clutch. So since then, a lot has happened, which I'll tell you guys later, with the car and with everything. So shout out to my tuner Gerson. He did send me out a new slave. Yes, so there's a new slave. I still have yet to drop the transmission. It's just with work, with everything, it's been super difficult to just work on the car. Plus, I gotta do motor mounts, gaskets in the headers because it's leaking, new oil stuff. The oil pan thing is also leaking. There's a lot of work to do. So I decided to let the car sit for a little bit, get some parts, rebuild most of the things, get that oil leak fixed, everything, so I don't want the car catching on fire. You guys can see, I actually already started taking everything apart. So I was ready to drop the trans, put everything, but I think, what is it? The back valve cover is also leaking a little bit. I gotta change the dipstick, just like little things. Where the headers are, I gotta do all that. Probably by the time I do all this, probably get like a new manifold. I really want the Hiram, but comment down below if I should get that Hiram intake right here, the LS intake or whatever through here. Get some cams, you know, have it chopping away. But yeah, well, the car is sat, it did leak all the fluid, so we actually have to go and check what the heck is wrong under the car. I took the white pipe off, everything. I was ready to do everything. So yeah, gotta do like the gaskets on the oil pan. It's leaking somewhere. You guys can see right here through the transmission. It's, I don't know. I'm also debating on selling the wheels. Kind of want a new look already, so I don't know, while it sits or whatever. New wheels, I don't know. Plus, I gotta change the rotors, the pads. There's another thing I gotta change. It's in the bottom. It's in the bottom of the car, bottom of the car, bottom of the car. Yeah, I don't know. I forgot, but you guys saw the last clip was that. And this is where the car's gonna sit for a little bit. I'm gonna give you guys, so the next video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what's wrong and what's up with the car and what the plans are moving forward with this car, starting with that bumper. So I don't know. Also, I'm considering selling these lights. So if anybody's interested, hit me up on Instagram at RealGMaxine. We might go back to stock and do something with the stock lights, but yeah, I might sell these lights with everything, with the light bulbs and what else? I mean, yeah, the light bulb, because that's what it comes with. So yeah, so new rotors, pads, redo the brakes. I gotta rebuild my coilovers as well. It's making noise in the front and it's kind of bouncy in the back. So I'm gonna take it off all at once, have it rebuilt, put it back on the car. I just want the car to be ready. We're just gonna keep getting some parts for this and see what we do with the car, because it's not going anywhere. I don't think it is. I want to rebuild it and make it look nice again. You guys know what I always say. God is good. Put God first. And I'm gonna catch y'all later. Deuces.